Are you experiencing the low memory warning on Roblox? Don't worry, we're here to help you fix it quickly and get back to gaming without interruptions. If you're seeing messages like, your device memory is low, or error code 292, this guide will show you exactly what to do. This issue is related to your device's RAM, not storage, so there's no need to delete apps or free up space. Instead, let's focus on optimizing your device's performance. Start by closing Roblox and restarting your device. For both iPhone and Android, a simple reboot can resolve temporary memory issues and refresh your system. If the problem persists, it's time to check for background apps that might be using up memory. On iPhones, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access your recent apps, then swipe up on each app to close it. This step frees up additional memory for Roblox. Still having trouble? Adjusting Roblox's in-game settings can make a big difference. Open any game in Roblox, then tap the Roblox icon in the top left corner to access the menu. Select Settings and scroll down to Graphics mode. If it's set to manual, switch to automatic to let Roblox manage the graphics settings. If the issue persists, keep it on manual and lower the graphics quality slider one step at a time until you find the setting that works best for your device. With these adjustments, you should be able to enjoy Roblox without seeing that low memory warning again. If this guide helped you out, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more easy tech solutions and gaming tips.